Guys, today I'm playing Build a Boat with just me. Today, um, I, I'm not really. I'm kind of more gonna be showing you my builds, technically, but yeah. So first, we have my rocket ship. This will take a second to load. I think it's done. So basically, down here it's the safety deck. We have this guy. This is the safety guy, I guess. And then we have an elevator going up, going into here. Here is just the passenger place, and then up here. Here is where the captains stay. I'm just gonna do a little bit of that, and whoa. Yeah, yeah. And as you can see, it actually works. Okay, I'm pretty bad at controlling this. Uh, and okay, and I died. What's going on, chat? Right. Now we have my hovercraft. Kind of basic. Oh. Oh, I got fireworks. Yay. Kind of a basic build. I needed tutorial to build this because this was in my early days of Build Boat. But yeah, nothing special. I recently added color. Just, there. Yeah, just dries, flies, kind of just the basic stuff. Go back. Alright. Now, we have the claw. Uh, yeah, the lever isn't actually inside right, so you kind of need someone to press the button. Yeah. That. As you can see, whee! Just kind of a normal claw ride that doesn't even go back and forth, just spins. What the? Get out! Okay. Now, there's the skateboard. Kind of basic. Not gonna lie, I also needed a tutorial for this. Because I had no idea how it worked. But yeah. It's kind of hard to. I need to fix it still, but I have no idea how to do that yet. Then we have secret. This is probably my best build yet. Let me just. This may take a second. And boom. Basically, first you need to sign in. Blah blah blah. Then over here, it's kind of broken. I still need to fix it. But over here, there's like an elevator, lift thing, whatever you want to call it, to take you to your room. So this is the VIP room, and then over here is just normal rooms. Again, kind of broken. Then right now, we're working on the mall over here. Yeah. And now, we have my van. on. I still need a collision. Yeah, collision needs to be on. I keep forgetting to turn it on. Let me save that now. But yeah, basically, all it kind of does is kidnap people. Pretty bad kidnapping van, but let me see if I can kidnap someone. There. Oh no, he's sitting down. Darn it. Ah, that guy. Darn it, he's in a plot. Okay, I don't think I can kidnap people. Nope, he's also in a. Okay, there's no good plot. There's no people I can't kidnap, but pretty basic just. Um, Nothing special. Now, moving on, we have. Don't really worry about that. That's just a high place. Now we have this. Pretty safe. Launch ride. It's not really fun for me because I kind of have to work it and it's annoying. But all you have to do is like we'll do 30. Whee! And you get launched up. Then after a while I just go boom. And then you could just go through the portal or maybe not. Oh wait, no, wrong thing. Oh, select all. I could do that. Now I'll do 1. Like 0. And then you can like just yeah, pretty fun. Now I have this. Let me just get down here. Boom. Whoa. Yeah, someone has to be in here, but then you just click the lever and you go up. Just normal observation tower. Still need to make the lever make it not stop spinning, but yeah. Then that's kind of it. Yeah. I think they're pretty good, but I don't know. Help me, well, if there's comments on this video, well, there probably will be, but if anyone comments, please tell me some more ideas. I have no more ideas left. So yeah, bye.